What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm super happy that you guys clicked on this video, and I am super happy to be filming this video for you guys. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this slick high puff in under 10 minutes for only $13. So this hairstyle is perfect for those of us that want that natural look, but you know, when you're doing your natural puff, it can turn out any kind of way. So the hair that I got is from Outre, pretty quick. It's called Pony. I got the large size. It comes in different sizes, and I got the color 1B. So here you guys can just see me taking it out of the package, and basically it just comes in this net that's super annoying to take off, and the hair is super full, and it's perfect to match with like type 4 hair. So here I'm just taking my hair out of the ponytail, and yeah, it was stiff because I didn't wash it yet, but yeah, so I sprayed it with some water to make it less stiff because it's easier to manage. And then I put some different types of gel that I didn't show every single one, but I'm gonna put the names of all the gels that I used on the screen so that you guys, if you guys want to get your slicked up look like mine, you can. So yeah, you want to be real thorough with this process, because if you want that sleek look, this is the secret. The next secret is to use a hard brush. So I just used a hard brush and brushed all the gels that I put in my hair, like through it thoroughly. So that was my secret. And also make sure that you brush the back of your hair very well, because you don't want the front of your hair to look all silky and sleek and then the back of your hair to look like a different texture. So yeah, I made sure I brushed it up into a high ponytail. You can place your ponytail anywhere on your head, but I knew that I wanted this style to be a little higher, so that's why mine is like on like the top of my head almost. But yeah. Also, if you guys do want a video that is more thorough on how I did my sleek down process, I could definitely do that for you guys. So yeah, here I am. I'm just brushing it out once it's on top of my head. And then this is the important part. You want to twist your hair into a tiny bun, as tiny as it can really go on your head, so that the piece can fit on top of it. So here I am. I just put my hair into the bun, and then I use an elastic to secure it. If your hair is shorter, then you're probably already good, and if you have longer hair, then you're gonna have to be really like good with the way you twist your hair up into that knot. And then once again, I'm going in with my brush to make sure that it's all sleek down, and I'm using my gel because I want my look to be super sleek. So here I am. I got the hair in my hand. This is the exciting part. As you guys can see, the hair comes with 2 combs inside of it to secure it on top of your head, and then it has like the drawstring thing that you just wrap around. So yeah, it's super durable. And if you guys are worried about this falling off your head, I would say don't be. I wore it for 2 days. I moved my head around, shook it around, and it did not fall off my head. I don't think it will fall off unless somebody snatches it. So boom, once you get it on your head and the combs are secured, you want to take the little drawstring part and you want to wrap it around your bun, or wrap it around the bottom of the drawstring puff, I guess you could say. So yeah, when I put it on my head like this, I was like, okay, there still is some work that obviously needs to be done with it, but it is already giving. So boom, I did my edges. If you guys want an edge tutorial, that is something else I could do for you guys, but I didn't do nothing too crazy. I just made sure I swooped them because I knew that I wanted a certain like aesthetic to it. So yeah, just make sure that you do your edges however you want to do your edges, and if you don't want to do your edges, that is the magic of this hairstyle, because you don't have to do that either. So yeah, I just sleeked down my edges, and I used edge booster from my beauty supply store. Now this is the part that really made the look what it was. I basically gave the hair some shape by wrapping it around itself and using bobby pins to keep it in the shape that I wanted it to be in. So yeah, I took my bobby pins and I just placed them around my head strategically just to get the shape that I wanted. So if you want a shape like mine, all you have to do is just wrap the bottom around its own hair. It's better, it's easier to see it than to explain it. So just do what I'm doing in the video if you want the look that I got, and you can shape it however is more comfortable for you. You don't even have to shape it at all. So yeah, that's the magic of this hairstyle. It's super versatile. So yeah guys, that was a super quick video, but that is basically all I did to achieve this hairstyle. I was instantly feeling myself. I loved it. I wore it for 2 days. Like I told you guys, it held up pretty well and it was very secure. Yeah, I was going in one more time for them baby hairs because I like that sleek look, as I told you guys before. So if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys try this hairstyle, DM it to me on my Instagram at latte_xoxo. Follow me on all my social social medias, which will be in the description. And yeah, here's my final look. Bye, guys.